Hey everyone, I am Vikram Salunke and welcome to Python for InfoSec. This is a video number 9 and in this video we are going to see dictionaries. Dictionary provides a hash table that can store objects. It consists of an item that can contain key and value. Key has to be unique but value can change. Let's see the example of a dictionary. Let's create a dictionary, personal info. For dictionary we use a curly bracket. Let's enter name. To separate a key from its value we use a colon. Let's enter second key, company, Damascus. Let's enter third key value pair, position, CEO. Okay, this is our dictionary. We use commas to separate between two key value pair. Let's print this dictionary. Okay, this is our dictionary. Now if you want to print the list of items, we use .items. So personal info .items. Okay, it prints all the items. To print all the keys, we use keys. Okay, so it will print all the values. Now if you want to check if particular key exists in the dictionary, we use has key function. So personal info dot has key. Let's check for a position. Okay, so that means position is available into the dictionary. Now if you want to print a particular key's value, we use personal info and in the square bracket the key. Okay, it will print the value. Now if you want to add a particular key value pair, we use dictionary name, then create a new key such as height. Okay, we'll give the value 6 feet. Let's print the dictionary. Okay, so this key value pair is added to the dictionary. To modify a particular value, we use personal info height 6.1. right, let's print the personal info. Okay, so value is modified. To delete a particular value, we use del. After that, name of a dictionary and the key which we want to delete. Let's delete height. Let's print a dictionary info. Okay, so using del we have deleted height from a dictionary. So in Python there are multiple methods available for a dictionary. We will see them in the future. So that's it for this video. If you want to read a text version of this video or solve exercises and check your understanding, then please visit our website damascus.com. Thank you.